So the Insta360 ONE RS has a 6K cinematic mode feature, and it's pretty awesome. This is what you're looking at right now. But I'm here at the Botanical Gardens here in Brisbane, where I wanted to just kind of walk around and get a couple of cool shots in 6K mode and show you what it looks like. So the first time I took the camera out and got 6K footage and played it back, I was actually like, this is terrible, like absolutely terrible. But if you take that same footage, put it through the Insta360 software on your computer, and then from there, you can actually turn on stabilization and it looks incredible. I'm actually shocked at how good it looks, especially using that software. I thought it was unusable footage, and then it looks really good. Now another thing you can do is use a gimbal like this. This is the Inky Falcon gimbal, and it works great, and then you don't have to add that stabilization later, giving you even better quality. And if you want to have a little bit more fun with it, take this 3-meter selfie stick, this really tall selfie stick, and you can attach it as well and stabilize it later, or you can attach your gimbal to it as well, and you just get some incredible results. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A lot of really exciting stuff happening all the time on this channel. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?